Leg forward, toe pointed up, body about 45 degrees, and then rotating the hips forward to get a stretch across the hamstring. Make sure there's no pressure put on the hamstring itself, so her arms are on the opposite leg or on her hips. Again, you can rotate inwards and outwards to emphasize the different hamstring areas to the inside or the outside. Again, rotate inwards for the outside and outwards for the inside. Here's a hamstring stretch, static stretch across the hurdle. Arms down towards the foot, leg nice and straight. From a different angle, head on, arms out towards the foot, stretch across the hamstring. So there are various different ways you can stretch the hamstring. This one stretches the hamstring as well as the lower back. Again, hands on top of each other towards the foot. Now she's looking towards the foot to deepen the stretch. It's an alternative to leg to the outside, same stretch, but this one actually doesn't engage the lower back as much. We're certainly stretching the hamstring. Okay, this one's lying on the floor. Hug into the chest as far as you can. Leave one hand on the hamstring, one hand on the calf. Open up and pull the toe towards the shin to get a deepen of the stretch. Again, from a different angle, into the chest, then open up and try and point the toe towards the shin. This one is called PNF stretching, whereby she's trying to push my arm away for about 5 to 8 seconds. I'm resisting her, then she breathes in, relaxes, and I move the leg forward. Kids, the receptors in the main part of the muscle. It relaxes them when she relaxes, having pushed hard against me. So therefore we get a bit more range of movement until she tightens up again. See a little bit more the second time. We get a little bit more, but not as much as the first time. This is kidding the sensors in the muscles to get a deep enough stretch. Thank you to Kate and Claire for helping out with the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already to see new videos pop up. Hit the notification bell, or even hit the playlist up here and watch some more. And I'll see you on the next one.